From this old and dusty watch to this flashy and cool Casio? Yes, the W214 has the minimum features that you would need from a watch. Take a deep look at this Casio. I have used it now for a week in olive harvesting. It was no easy job for the Casio. All the three branches would hit the watch continuously. In the end, the strap and the watch have survived, and therefore I have gifted this W214 with this flashy red strap. First, let's see what this watch has to offer. Now let's discuss a little about these dimensions of the watch. It has a case width of 44 mm and the lock to lock it's the same. Basically it's a symmetrical watch. The height of this watch is 12 mm, therefore I consider it a little slim for what it can offer. Now this design copies or tries to copy the 6900 series, and this is because of the three round displays that we see on top of the display. Also we can see that the features of this watch and also the pusher functions are faded, or they are not faded, they are only engraved because the color has faded entirely. On top we had the illuminator, and on each side we had the pusher identification. Therefore this pusher is related to start stop, the other one to the mode function, and on top of mode it's the reset function. We have also the light pusher which is responsible for the 1.5 second light. Now I will take off the watch from my wrist and start to disassemble the strap with this small knife. Now that the spring bars are released, I will take them off from the old strap. Pretty thick springs. Here I have this red original Casio band. You can see that it has enough space to insert the removal tool and assemble the spring bars correctly. Done. It was very easy with these original parts. Now this strap feels very light and easy to use. I like that the width it's not that much, and the clasp is very trendy, and it's good that it is black. It comes in contrast with this red color. This watch is very modest in features, but it is not dumb. From the timekeeping mode, and not only, pressing light will trigger for 1.5 seconds an amber LED. It seems that one LED makes its job. Now the display will show the time and the date. On top there are two circles which are only for fun, and the third circle is the most important. If you press reset, pusher will activate in background a timer. It has preset 7 different times from 1 minute to 30 minutes. This information is shown in the right circle display. You will not be able to see the exact progress, just briefly, in what interval the time is. Each press will toggle in between the presetted values. Still, from the timekeeping mode, if you press mode once, you will get the alarm menu. Start-stop pusher will enable or disable the hourly chimes or the alarm. Reset will enter in the alarm setup. Pressing reset one time will let you select the desired hour. Pressing reset again will let you select the desired minute. Pressing reset the third time, the alarm is saved. From the timekeeping mode, pressing mode 2 times, you will get in the stopwatch menu. Now to activate the stopwatch, you only have to press start. To stop it again, stop, and to reset it, yes, the reset pusher. Pressing mode 3 times, you will get the time setup menu. With reset pusher, you toggle in between the hours, minutes, seconds, year, date, and so on, and to select the desired value you have to press start stop. To save, simply press mode. The back case is secured with these 4 screws, and it's made from stainless steel with a brushed surface. It has the Casio logo, model number 3225 and the model name W214HC. It specifies 5 bar water resistance. Now let's open the watch and see how it looks inside, and also we will see how to replace the battery. Opening the watch, we see that it is very clean and the rubber seal is sitting in its correct position. To remove the battery for replacement, with the help of a needle, just insert it in the 5 o'clock position and pull towards exterior to unclip the metal plate. The plate will pop out and the battery will be released. Take it out and put a new battery. This model uses a CR2016 battery. After inserting it, push the plate until you hear one click. To reset, just make short circles in between the minus from the PCB and the plate, which is the plus. Now let's close the watch. In conclusion, I can say that this watch will remain in my collection, and this will be worn often because of the timer function. The watch itself is very light and it feels nice on the hand. The design is also beautiful, of course, if you like the 6900 series. Thank you for watching, wishing you the best!